In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text using the grease pencil tool in Blender. This technique is perfect for creating dynamic, engaging text animations that bring your projects to life. So let's dive in and explore the steps together. We'll start by creating and preparing our text. In Blender, make sure you're in Object mode. Head over to the Add menu and select Text to create a text object. This is where you'll put in the text you wish to animate. To do that, switch to Edit mode by pressing the Tab key. You can now type in whatever message or text you'd like to animate. Once you're happy with your text, it's time to turn it into a grease pencil object, which will give us the flexibility we need for animation. Return to Object mode and navigate to Object in the top menu. From there, select Convert to and choose Grease Pencil. Now that your text is ready, head over to the Object Data Properties panel, which is the icon that looks like a green drawing. Here you can adjust the font and any other properties to suit your project's needs. Next, we need to separate the letters to handle each one individually. Go back into Edit mode for your grease pencil object. You'll see all the vertices of your text displayed. Select the vertices corresponding to one letter and then to separate it, go to Mesh, choose Separate, and then Selection. This action will create a new object for the selected letter. You'll need to repeat this process for each letter of your text to ensure they all become individual grease pencil objects. This might seem a bit tedious, but it's essential for giving each letter its own unique animation. Now, let's move on to animating each letter. Switch back to Object mode. Before starting, set your desired end frame in the timeline to determine how long you want your animation to be. Begin with the first letter. Move and rotate it to the position you want it to land at in the final frame. This is crucial because this keyframe will define the letter's end position. Once satisfied, insert a keyframe by pressing the I key and choosing Location and Rotation. Continue with the same process for the second letter. Place it where you want it in the final frame and insert a keyframe. Having established where each letter will finish, it's time to go back to frame 1. For the first letter, reposition and rotate it to its starting point, and again, insert a keyframe. This starting keyframe will show where the letter will begin its journey. Repeat this for every letter, taking care to stagger the start keyframes on the timeline. This staggering effect is what makes each letter appear one after another, creating a smooth, visually appealing animation. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to animating text with Grease Pencil in Blender. I hope you found this tutorial insightful and that it helps you add a touch of creativity to your animations.